guys, so I actually saw, thank you, I make it. I'm a fashion designer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can get my card if you want to.
Oh, yeah.
Good, thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am officially opening the vlog for, what's the card, please? Okay, so today, guys, hey, I have a huge announcement to make. Okay, so I am launching 5 businesses this quarter, and I'm having a photo shoot on Saturday, like in a few days. So guys, just come with me. So guys, come with me, let's go. I don't know, you guys don't want to know all the things that are happening to me right now. I'm not gonna put on the AC so it doesn't interfere with the what's it called? Guys, things are happening. We'll pray for your girl. Bye guys. Pray for your girls. Pray for your girl. Pray for your girl, guys. I don't know, I'm getting some last minute disappointments, but like I always say on my channel, Mama need the help yin. I can't ma. Mama padawa. Mo need the help yin. Ma padawa. All right. Okay, so guys, you will not believe what is happening to me. Last minute disappointment. I don't think I've ever experienced this kind of disappointment before. But you know what? Somehow I'm taking it with, good faith, like nothing happened. Hey, I'm excited, guys. I say, yay. Okay, so today I'm gonna pick up a few stuffs for my models. I have ordered a lot of stuffs online. I will be launching my ready to wear. Guess what? I'm wearing one of my designs right now. Yes. So I'm off to get some drinks. I need to organize food. Yes, personally, I like to take care of my team. Like, if you are working with me, I need to take care of you. I need to make sure that you are okay, you are good. So even for my fashion show, the last fashion show that I had, okay, you go, I'm in a good mood. Girl, it's okay. So even for my last, what I'm trying to do right now. So guys, it's gonna be a long, it's actually gonna be a very long, well, this is day 1. I'm opening it officially, so just bear with me. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourself, guys. I'm sure you'll be wondering, who is this hyper chick? I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Okay, so where are you guys watching from? So in case you're new here, my name is Mariam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. Sorry, I'm driving, so I have to concentrate. Okay, so guys, I'm a fashion designer. As you can see, people have been asking me on this channel, Mariam, when are you showcasing your brand? Okay, now is the time, guys. I am showcasing my brand now. I'm launching my African accessory. Sorry, there's nobody beside me to film me, and I don't have this stand yet. I'm just, So guys, guess what I'm launching? Okay, so I'm launching my ready to. I'm so excited, so don't blame me. Go easy. I'm launching my ready to wear Ankara. This is one of my designs, like I said earlier, and I'm also show you what I'm wearing in full. Okay, I'm gonna quiet. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing in full, just in case you want to see it. Yay! And if you want to see the back of the dress, anyway, I'm done dancing. This is the back of my dress. Hey. Oh yeah, oh guys, come and buy you. Come and buy my dresses. Yes. So guys, find the website. I'm officially opening the vlog today. I'm here at Walmart. I just packed, and so come with me guys. Let's go. Are you excited like me? Honestly, I'm excited guys. Pray for your girl. I am officially launching my ready to wear line, and I'm excited to be wearing one of my pieces. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So guys, don't mind me. You already know me that you're gay. Your gay is hyper. So really, okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna be I'll fix my nails tomorrow. I'm gonna get my pedicure done. Yeah, I'm gonna get a pedicure and manicure, and yeah, makeup is sorted. Okay guys, officially let's go pick up a few things. So come with me, let's go. As for me, you know, for this photo shoot, I actually planned to lose 17 pounds. Yes, and so far I have lost 8 pounds. I have 9 pounds to go, but let's see. I haven't even weighed myself, so it's possible I've lost an extra 4 pounds, but let's just keep our fingers crossed. I'll go check my measurements to find out if I'm actually still if I still have 9 pounds to go, or I actually have 5 pounds to go. So come with me guys, let's go. So right now, oh my god, I forgot to film the outside, the entrance of Walmart. Okay, let me take this exit back. Oh, okay. So you can see I just got to Walmart now. Okay guys, you know I actually went back. I actually went back to film the entrance of Walmart. Okay, so right now we are. Okay, so I just got to Walmart now, and where am I going? Over there. Okay, I'm going somewhere over there, so let's see. Come with me guys, let's go. Of course I have my water. I had a banana today. Yeah, I've had one banana today, and I'm believing that's gonna like help me, you know, yeah, for a bit. So guys, come with me, let's go. But you know, I need 2 plus size models right now, so I'm just trying to make myself happy. Okay, so let's see if this is gonna this is gonna do the job for me. And I hope you guys can still see me and hear me. Guys, so I actually saw thank you, I make it. I'm a fashion designer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can get my card if you want to.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Can I have one too?
Oh, sure. I have men's wears too.
Yeah. You got one for a woman too, right?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay. Okay.
Like something like that.
I have it. Okay. So you can follow me on Instagram. I am launching Instagram, and I'm having my photo with my model this weekend on Saturday. So I came to shop for my model, and I'm shooting a YouTube video. I'm also a YouTuber. Okay.
Yeah, but it's a like how much?
This one. Okay, for the matching set, you can get it